Here's Oscar and Liesel. I'm trying to be quiet so they don't just run to me. From Ryder and Hazel. Oh yes, there's Oscar. Hi, buddy. Go play with your toys so we can see you. I can't see you that close up. From Red Ryder and Hazel's litter. There he's gonna go. Okay. They're 8 weeks old and you bringing me the toy now? I know, bud. I know. You can't be this close for the video. They're 8 weeks old and heading home to you guys in just a couple days. Here, maybe if I throw it, I'll go get it. Nope. Liesel will take it though. Oscar, go back over there. Will you move Oscar back over by her? Oh, he's gonna go. He's going. They're doing so good and growing so fast. Oh, you just want me to play with you, don't you? Here, go get it. Oh, yep, not getting that yet. Yeah, he'll go back to her. There. They're doing so good. We can't wait for them to meet their families. They're so much fun out here in the fall weather. Hanging out here, watching the cows and enjoying the evening. Working on those puppy teeth, huh? They went to the vet today. Had a great clean bill of health and they are ready. Both of them flying on Saturday. So Oscar and Liesel. Now they're going to share the stick. What is that? Oh, it's a walkie-talkie. Is that what that is? Yeah. All right. Well, there they are. Oh, Oscar found some dry grass. Okay. Hey, Liesel, you want to come over here? You're too into your toys right now, aren't you? Oscar's got the glove. Oh, that was a trick. Okay, well, there they are, doing good. Ready to meet you soon. Done at the vet's office. And ready to fly. You did love that stick, don't you? They've only had toys. They hadn't given him a stick yet. So she is all over that thing. What are you doing, Liesel? Okay. They're just so fun to watch. They've had their bath. They'll get their foot trim and another sanitary trim and another eye trim to go to go home. So they'll be all caught up on, and a nail trim too. They'll get all caught up, so it's as long as possible before you have to take them to the groomers. So, okay. Well, there they are. Hey, Liesel. Okay, and now they're both out of the shot. Oscar and Liesel. Mill Creek Family Farms, AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. There they are. Alright, we'll see you later.